हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, मैं हूँ तरन्नुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई नो अगर आप लोग मेरे रेगुलर सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, रेगुलर फॉलोअर्स हैं, तो आप लोग मुझसे शिकायत कर सकते हैं कि तरन्नुम इतने दिन बाद क्यों आई है। इट्स बीन अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस आई मेड अ वीडियो, बट आज जो मैं लेके आई हूँ दैट्स वन इनक्रेडिबल प्रोडक्ट विच इफ़ यू लव योर हेयर you simply cannot miss out. So if you want to know what that product is, stay in the video. सो वेलकम बैक ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। जैसा कि मैं आप लोगों से कह रही थी, आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट। अगर आपको अपने बालों से प्यार है, सो दिस इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल फेवरेट loved by people across the globe if they love their hair. और मैं आपको बताऊँ मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ। Let me just pick that up. मैं बात कर रही हूँ L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum की। I hope I can show this to you. Yup. तो मैं बात कर रही हूँ L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum की। Now I have been following beauty bloggers and beauty brands from different countries, and मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बहुत तारीफ़ सुनी है। I've always heard people talking so much about this product, but unfortunately this was not available in India. So when I heard कि L'Oreal Paris is actually launching this in India, I was super excited. I have been using it for past 3 weeks. आप देख सकते हैं मैंने एक अच्छी खासी क्वांटिटी यूज़ की है इसकी, if you can see. So now I can tell you what my views on this particular product are and why you should definitely buy it. Let me first talk to you about the packaging. The product comes in a paper packaging like this, beautiful golden paper packaging like this, if you can see. This has all the details about the product. This tells you the name L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, incredibly easy to use, world's #1 hair serum. And it tells you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways on how you can use this. It gives you a detail of all the ingredients on the side, how many oils, how many extracts does it have, and it also gives you the price. Now coming to the price factor, which is a big wow. If you think कि L'Oreal Paris का ये वर्ल्ड का #1 हेयर सीरम बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो गया, let me tell you, this hair serum is only for 499 rupees. Yes guys, अगर आप लोगों को थोड़ी हैरानी हो रही है, it is. L'Oreal Paris has actually priced this very well and it's only available for 499 rupees. Inside packaging is a beautiful glass bottle, beautiful amber colored glass bottle जिसके अंदर एक slightly amberish yellow color का liquid है, a very slightly thicker liquid. Bottle is very classy, very beautiful, but you have to be very careful with it because it's a glass bottle. मेरे साथ इनफैक्ट ऐसा हो चुका है, मेरे हाथ में सीरम था एंड आई जस्ट हैड पुट सम सीरम एंड आई टुक दिस बॉटल एंड आई एक्सीडेंटली ड्रॉप्ड द बॉटल. थैंक गॉड द बॉटल एक्चुअली ड्रॉप्ड ऑन अ पिलो, तो वो टूटी नहीं, बट स्टिल यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. तो अगर आपके हाथ में सीरम है तो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर नॉट टू टच दिस बॉटल. दिस इज़ रियली ब्यूटिफुल, क्वाइट स्टर्डी, बट ऑफकोर्स इट्स अ ग्लास बॉटल, बट इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल ऑन योर वैनिटी. Now before coming to the result, let me just show you a real-time effect of this product. As you can see, my hair is quite wet right now. I have just washed my hair and towel dried them, so they are very unruly, quite frizzy. Take. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, the pump is a lockable mechanism. You can lock the pump. So I just took 2.5 pumps of this and I lock the pump so that it doesn't drip, and I just rub the product between my hands to slightly warm it up, and then I apply it to the hair like this. You can see I'm applying it to my hair. I like to rub my ends with this because हमारे बालों के ends ही होते हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स हम होते हैं. ऑल ऑफ अस नो के ends में स्प्लिट ends की प्रॉब्लम, ड्राइनेस की प्रॉब्लम सबसे ज़्यादा आती है. एंड देयर यू गो. The first thing that you notice after applying the serum is the instant shine that comes. एक इंस्टेंट शाइन आती है सीरम लगाने के बाद. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी माई हेयर इज़ मच मोर मैनेजेबल. द फ्रिज इज़ टोटली गॉन. इट्स मच मोर मैनेजेबल नाउ. वो जो फ्रिज था पोस्ट वॉश वो बिल्कुल चला गया है. देयर इज़ हार्डली एनी पोस्ट वॉश फ्रिज नाउ. इट्स टोटली गॉन. सो एज आई सेड, ये मैं आपको रियल टाइम दिखा रही हूँ. आई एम शोइंग इट टू यू रियल टाइम. So you can definitely see a before and after result yourself. Now let me tell you the ways I use this serum and why I love it. Firstly, this is a real good serum for the price factor it comes. It's a huge bottle. I think it will last me for a fairly good time. I use it 3 times a week because I wash my hair 2 times a week. And plus मैं इसको एक बार तब यूज़ करती हूँ when my hair is like 2 day wash के बाद. Now you can actually see there's a lot more shine on my hair. And my hair is so much more manageable. With the kind of hair I have, it tends to get very frizzy, but it's much more manageable now. मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट इसलिए बहुत पसंद है because one, the price factor is really very good. The bottle will last me, I think, somewhere around 3 to 4 months, maybe even 5 months for that matter, which is really economical coming at the price factor it is, and I use it 3 times a week. Second thing the second thing which I really like about this product is that it does not smell too harsh. The smell, I just smell it in front of you. The smell is really very nice, very light, very mild floral smell, and it's a very mild, very natural kind of a smell. It's not a fragrance which is very overwhelming or very dominating. So if you have a sensitive nose, this is really good for you. You can definitely try it out. Third thing which I like about this is that it doesn't weigh my hair down. It really doesn't weigh my hair down. बहुत सारे सीरम्स ऐसे होते हैं जो आप लगाते हैं तो उसके बाद बाल आपके चिप वाले फीलिंग होती है. Despite being an extraordinary oil serum, the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum doesn't weigh your hair down. And I haven't tried it only on my hair. I have tried it on someone's hair which is very fine, and still it didn't weigh the hair down. वो आपका वॉल्यूम कम नहीं करता है, which is another good part about it. The fourth thing which I like is you can use it in more than one ways. I like to use it as a pre-wash serum after I have shampooed and conditioned my hair, but you can use it in more ways. कभी कभी I use it as a overnight styler as well. Now that what I do is I put this in my hair and I tie my hair in a bun, and when I wake up in the morning I have these beautiful waves in my hair because my hair is not frizzy at all. वो जो morning frizz होता है वो कहीं गायब हो जाता है. मैंने बहुत सारे hair serums try किए हैं. If you are following me on Instagram, and please do if you haven't followed, you know that I love my hair a lot and I do a lot of experiments with my hair in terms of coloring, changing my shampoos, changing my products. और मैंने बहुत सारे hair serums try किए हैं. Hair serums which were under 200 rupees to hair serums which were over 2000 rupees. But now I know why the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum is the #1 serum in this world. Not only because of the price factor, but because of its amazing qualities. And I haven't seen any damage to my hair so far by using this serum. I'm sure by now I must have convinced you why you need to use and try the serum if you love your hair. I'm sure by now I have convinced you why you should be trying and using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. I will link the details on how you can buy it in the description box below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that subscription button if this is the first time you're coming on my channel. Please hit that subscription button, and please don't forget to ring the notification bell because now I'll be trying to make videos more frequently, so you definitely need to be in touch with that. If you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram details are right here. And that's all I wanted to bring for today. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, if you really like this review, please tell me in the comments. मुझे आपके कमेंट्स पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. It really encourages me and it also helps me improve my work. Till the next video, Stay healthy, stay safe. Don't forget to wear your mask. Sanitize yourself, protect yourself from corona. Stay happy. Much love.